Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward tutorial, how to find your IFSC code in the ICICI Bank app for 2025. If you're in India and handling bank transfers, you know how essential the IFSC code is. It's that unique 11-digit alphanumeric code that identifies your bank branch for seamless transactions. First things first, let's quickly cover what an IFSC code is. It stands for Indian Financial System Code and is crucial for NEFT, RTGS, and other fund transfers to ensure your money reaches the right place without any hitches. To get started, make sure you have the latest ICICI Bank app installed on your phone. You can download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store if you haven't already. Step 1. Open the ICICI Bank app and log in using your username, password, or biometric authentication for quick access. Step 2. Once you're in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Accounts or My Accounts section. It's usually front and center. Step 3. Tap on the specific account you need the IFSC code for, like your savings or current account. This will take you to the account details page. Step 4. On the account details screen, scroll down to the Account Information or Branch Details section. There, you'll see the IFSC code clearly displayed. If it's not immediately visible, tap on More Details, or use the search bar in the app to type IFSC. Pro tip: always verify the code before using it in any transaction to avoid errors. If you're having trouble, make sure your app is updated to the 2025 version for the best experience. And there you have it. That's how you easily access your IFSC code in the ICICI app. This process is quick and user-friendly, saving you time and hassle. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more banking tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.